Namaskar. I am Sri Ghanvat AB, in charge of Atal Tinkering Lab in Trimbakrao Kale Vidyalaya Malavadi. Malavadi is a small village situated at the bank of Man Ganga River. Village in Man Tehsil, district Satara and from state of Maharashtra. Our school is famous in rural area. Students have curiosity, creativity and imagination in minds. In science fair, science exhibition, we observe that students need more tools to set their ideas. As per norm in Pragat Shaikshnik Maharashtra, our school is working as mother school for surrounding schools. We have to facilitating our students in their innovations. We want to arrange workshops for students on problem solving, designing, fabricating the products, robotic sciences, subject like activity science fair, science exhibition, science quiz, activity based learning, game based learning, project based learning, maths practices and science lab practices. ATL will help to set minds of students. We provide 1500 square foot lab space in our school for this project. Now, our school headmaster Sri Tupe TC is speaking about Vidyalaya.
Sri Tupe TC, the headmaster of Trimbakrao Kale Vidyalaya and Junior College Malavadi, which was established in the year 1961 by the institution that was founded by the well-known educationist Karmavir Bhaurao Patil from Satara district, Maharashtra. Our institution as well as school has developed a great legacy of quality education and self-reliance for the students of society, especially rural areas. If you approve Atal Lab for my school, I assure you that it will provide a golden opportunity for the students of rural areas to enhance their knowledge through practical experience and to contribute to the development of the nation by applying a scientific attitude. I hope that it will be the platform for students to make their career in the science faculty. So, I humbly request you to grant Atal Lab for my school. Thank you.
Aniket, Swamini, Kiran, Sujal, Sandesh, Jnanaraj, Sneha would like to tell you about future innovations.
I'm going to introduce about my space rover or buggy. It is a six-wheeled rover based on AI. It has performed to study the Martian surface, Martian soil, and the environmental behavior of the red planet. Second is the CubeSat. The CubeSat is a communication-based sat that is used for communication between the Earth and the Mars. It has so many features that has a immersive experience, that has communication without any losses in the space. Second is it is very small, so it can not take any space in the spacecraft. Thank you.
I want to make food scanner to detect food adulteration. My machine will identify food ingredients and calories. I want to make India healthy.
I want to make a locket for the help of people in their life. The locket have one button for the sending message they wanting helpline. First, police. When we will press button 3 times, then message goes to police helpline. 2. Ambulance. When we will press button 2 times, then message goes to ambulance. Third, when we will press button 1 time, then message goes to women's helpline. The message is location of their place and what help they want.
Morning friends, my name is Sujal Maruti Himbre. I have made an organic fertilizer. It is called Jeevamrut in Marathi. Jeevamrut is very useful in farming. Chemical fertilizer is dangerous for a farm and plants. Organic fertilizer is made from cow dung, jaggery, gomudra and gram flour. The organic fertilizer is very useful for growth of plant. It increases fertility of a land. Thank you.
Sandesh. I make a wireless starter. I do that use a farmers so that machine is useful for farmers.
Hi, I am Nyanraj Praveen Suryavanshi. I want to make water cycle. The benefits of water cycle: this will save you a lot of time by not having to buy fuel. It will save some money.
Hello everyone, my name is Sneha and I make a drone because he's so useful and he save a human people because this drone supply a blood everywhere. That's why I make a drone which is called as a blood supply drone. Thank you.
With best regards, thank you.